What is up with my traders? What is up with my people? Hey, guys, it is Monday. We're seeing a little bit of move to the downside. No big shocker. Really, no big shocker. We kind of expected this. We laid it out in the Discord here. I'm just going to kind of roll it over. So I've been staying outside of the house. I've been staying at a hotel. So I really didn't have anything to any equipment to record on. But last night, we saw a big move to the downside, and I had an entry zone here, as you can see. I was looking at this naked weekly point of control, value area low, and we front ran that level just a little bit. And that's when I told the guys in the Discord ever so slightly front ran the level given in the last YouTube, not chasing it, waiting for Monday price action to possibly hit the predetermined level, or I will wait for the short. So, I had the long, had the short, kind of had it planned out. Here's Caden stuff. What up? Shout out Caden. And then, big sharp move to the downside. And just like that, Monday price action at its finest. Whenever you see that Sunday where you just kind of front run something, then Monday, New York comes in with that big volume, that big, massive, just those bigger traders. They want to get involved, man. They want to get involved. And you see that Monday rise up, Monday market opened right around here, and then just boom, move to the downside. But the good news is that we tapped into these levels, right? I wanted the long here, but the long didn't look good there. But here was our next level here, which was, I was looking at kind of a sweep of these levels, or really just kind of a sweep of this level. But what also happened, and this is where, because I'm relying on my coach, I'm relying on not relying, but I'm looking at what other people are looking at in trading. And Big Daniel was looking at this parallel channel, right? We're going to bring it here. This parallel channel. See, like low, 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 and then we broke out of the channel. We can quickly get back into the channel. So for me, and for him, he's commenting right now, I'm not taking this long right now. And the reason why is because this channel could flip into resistance and we could just keep on dropping, right? Now we could see a little rise up. If we did get up, got some acceptance into the channel, I'd be looking to take some profit right around here because you've got this unfinished business here, right? New York market opens up and it just flushes to the downside. I'm going to bring in here the trading sessions. And as you can see here, you've got that Tokyo, you've got that London, and you've got those New York highs. So nice big liquidity right here, right? It is late in the day. Now, one of the good things about this finding an actual low here is that the ES has found some large support. The ES has found support from this anchored VWAP way down here in a long time consolidation. If we zoom on in here to a lower time frame, we're going to come on down here to the 5-minute. So as you can see here, I had a previous trend line, broke that trend, back test, weakened it, test, holding support. Not really looking at order flow on this, but we are finding some support. If we did lose this, it would be a bigger drop down. Now, for Bitcoin, what I was looking at as far as was it an appropriate time to take a trade? So I'm going to go to the order flow. And these are those lows on Bitcoin on the 5-minute. So as you can see here, as we're coming low, we're also coming low and lower on the CVD. Now, we did have large amounts of negative delta with some open interest increases. Nothing crazy, but this is what you want to see. You want to see you hit that low, trap some traders, flip it immediately with the buyers show up. So there is some trap traders in the mix right there, and the ES is at a low. But the reason why I'm just simply not convinced is because the time of day, right? The market's closing. It's 3 o'clock. Right? We might just trail sideways. Usually when New York just has its close, that's it. It's got to wait for the bigger players to come up in. That's not saying anything can happen, but we will see if this low holds. And there is no rush. So I just want to come on here and drop a quick video. And I will be dropping my update tonight because I'll be back at the computer, back in the swing of things. Let's fucking go. Let's make some money this week, and I'll see y'all later.